Today we're going to learn how to make a pop-up box. Material you will need: white paper, a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, and a pair of scissors. Ready? Start by drawing a small mark by 7 centimeters. Then draw 3 more, one vertically and 2 horizontally, so that later we can draw straight lines. Join the dots. Now draw 3 more marks vertically, 7 centimeters each. It should look like this. Cut the extra part. Now cut the dark lines. And fold the dotted lines. Look! For the lid, we are going to mark by 11 centimeters. Join the dots. Now mark by 2 centimeters, vertically and horizontally. Join the dots. Cut the dark lines. Fold the other lines. Glue the small squares. Ta-da!